Hello quilt friends, welcome back to the Laurel Wreath Sew Along. This week we are working on steps 17 through 19. So you're going to gather up your 4 flower blocks that look like this, and we're going to pair them together with some background pieces first and then with these leaf units, and you're going to sew those together and make 4 of those. Then what we're going to do is grab some of our green pinwheel here, and we're going to sew it together with some navy background, and then we're going to cut that into 1 3/4 inch sections. So you'll end up with 2 strip units like that, and then you're going to take those little pieces like this and sew them together to make some 4 patch blocks. You're going to make 8 of those, and then you're going to take 4 of them and you're going to sew them together with some of your background pieces that look like this. So you can see it's the same width as your 4 patch. And the reason I bring that up is because we're going to make 4 like that unit that I just showed you. And then we're going to take 4 of those little 4 patches, and you can see I've trimmed already 1/8 of an inch off of 4 of them, like so. So take your ruler and trim 1/8 of an inch off top and bottom. And then you're going to have some more background pieces you're going to sew it together with like this. This one you can see I haven't trimmed. You can trim after or before, but you'll end up with 4 units that look like this, which have a not quite square 4 patch in the center. So after that, then let's go on to step 19. So here we are with those pieces from step 19. We're using those cream flower blocks that we just made, and these sort of partial blocks that become part of the red flowers and the background piece that's labeled for step 19. So you'll be able to sew those 2 pieces together first and then fit these 2 together. And then that will look like this right here. And then you're going to make 2 of them that have this red coral combination and 2 of them that have this red coral combination. So there'll be a total of 4 blocks that look like this. Then you can sew it together with your other cream flower block here. And then let's just keep sliding. I don't have quite a big enough spot here that I can show you the whole thing together right now, but I will. Then you're going to sew this block to the side of this white flower. And then you have a background piece that you'll be able to sew to this end. So I'm going to go sew those together, and then I'll show you that piece completed. Okay, I've got those sections up on my design wall here. You can see I've sewn them together, and I have 2 of them up here because you'll notice that this one has one combination of the coral red. This one has another combination of the coral red. So you're going to make 2 of each of these sections. So that's it for your assignment this week. Next week, we're going to put the rest of our quilt together and complete our quilt top. So just 1 more week left and you will have your finished quilt. We'll see you back here then.